Dr. Zakir, are there any other compulsory fasts other than the month of Ramadan that a Muslim must observe?
The fasts can be broadly categorized into fard fasts, that are obligatory, and the other is the tatawu fast, that is the voluntary fast, or the non-obligatory fast, which inshallah we'll be dealing maybe on the episode 31. As far as the obligatory fasts are concerned, you can classify it under 4 types. The first, as we are discussing, the obligatory fast during the month of Ramadan. The second is, if a person misses the fast of Ramadan for any reason, cover up the fast miss. It's known as qada fast. The third is fasting for expiation of the sins. If you committed a sin and you have to fast, give a kafara. That's the third type. And the fourth is fasting if you have vowed to fast. So these are basically the 4 types of fard fasting which are there in Islam.
Jazakallah khair.